Welcome back! What's up guys, it's Ange, and today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Yay! Unboxing! Whoa, so much fun! I have a friend that works in a company called Bemused Korea, and it's all Korean beauty and Korean skincare products. If you guys know anything about skincare, like how I don't, Korea is probably like up there on like one of the best skincare products and beauty products and cosmetic products. But yeah, I just thought we could do like a little bit of an unboxing and just hanging out together during another quarantine day. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Actually, did you know that 50% of people that view my videos are not subscribed to me? What? 50% of you that watch and tune into my videos most of the time are not subscribed to me. What are you doing? It takes me like a week. Actually, it doesn't take me a week. It takes me like a couple days to put out a video. Can you just like, takes 1 second to hit that button, you know? Just like hit it. I'm a 5th way to getting monetized, so get me there. I'm like a 5th way there on subscribers, I mean. So just get me 1 step closer, please. Just hit subscribe. Just do me a favor, just hit that button. Follow me on my socials. All my handles will be in the description below. I got Instagram, I got Facebook, I got TikTok. So she wrote me this really cute letter and I thought it was like the sweetest thing ever. She gave me a whole list of all the products that she gave me and kind of what's inside them and a look into what I should use them for. This is their Instagram handle right here. You guys see it? Yep, go check them out. Definitely gonna do a video where I'm going to review some of these products. I think this was so cute and so thoughtful of her. So backstory, she went to my church when I was younger and then she moved to Korea. So I guess I've met her when I was really, really young and she remembered me and she remembered my family. So I think it was really sweet of her just to like find me on Instagram through a mutual friend and then send me all these things so I can try it. And I think it's like, I'm still on my baby steps of like social media and just starting to do like social influencer kind of things. This is really exciting for me. If you know me, I got some bad skin. If you guys haven't seen already, go check out my Drunk Elephant product review. It's up here somewhere. I've been searching for things to help out with my skin and Drunk Elephant definitely did help out, but it hasn't saved everything. So I definitely still have scars in my skin. I definitely still have breakouts every now and then, depending on what I eat. I don't even get my period. So I definitely still don't have the most perfect skin, but I'm searching for the best products for me. What is going to cure Angelina's skin? My goal is to like get skin where I don't need to put on foundation anymore. Actually, I enjoy putting on makeup. I think it's really, really fun, but it'd be really nice to like whip out the camera and like also just have great skin and like vlog instead of having to be like, sorry guys for seeing all my blemishes. Not that I care that much, but also like it'd be nice. Anyways, I digress. So the first item is by Balm. So this first cleanser balm removes 100% of makeup. Use with dry face and dry hands. Okay, let's look for that. Oh my gosh, she hand wrote me a little note. Did you guys see it? With the little cacao emoji on it. Oh, that's so cute. I use Pond's, but maybe I can use this for the next couple days and see how it works. I love Pond's. Let's see. Ooh, it comes with a little stick. This is A+ for packaging. Oh, I love beauty products that are so like aesthetically pleasing. Number 2. The Pure Lotus Jeju Botanical pH Balancing Cleanser. So, vegan second cleanser that removes impurities made with 8 organically grown Jeju plants, sulfate-free, and contains lotus flower extract. Ooh! So this is the second cleanser. Maybe what I can do for the next couple days is just use these 2 pairs. I guess until like this runs out and that way I can like review how it is on my skin. These are the Lotus cleansers. They're so cute looking. She gave me 2 of them, which is nice. Ooh, aloe. I love aloe. Essence samples, which are super cute. Number 3 is an Aqulabo jelly mist. Now I saw this when I first opened up the box. I don't know if you guys can see the texture of that. I don't know if you can see the texture of that, but it's like a jelly. I've never ever seen anything like this.
This is a multifunctional product that can be used as toner, which balances skin's pH levels to 5.5 pH after cleansing, so your acids, like Drunk Elephant,
work more effectively. Oh, that's so cool! Mildly exfoliates dead skin cells, which open up the skin's pathways to better absorb products used after. What? Wow, all this science stuff. Earth's Recipe Waterful Sun Gel made with San Pellegrino. Wow, interesting. Carbonation from the water makes this a very airy sunscreen that doesn't clog pores. Great for combo oily skin. Ah, me. SPF, man. Always wear SPF. I think I'm most excited for the jelly mist. And then she gave me a bunch of face masks. Look at this. Look at this. She gave me so many face masks. Ooh, we disclose full ingredients on the website. Ooh, so I will put their website right over here, so you guys can go check that out. And all their information will also be in the description below. Thought she was just gonna give me like little sample size stuff, which she did, but she gave me so much more. This is like what I get to look forward to doing in quarantine, because there's literally nothing left for me to do other than make TikToks, post videos, and then get ready to go to bed. It's all I do every day. You can tell a lot by a company just by, you know, these cute little free gifts and boxes that they give you. And granted, yeah, she was like a mutual friend of mine and she knew me when I was younger, but like I have like little to no context with her, and she still like went out of her way, sent me all these things from her company. So just saying, y'all should check this out. Thank you so much, Christine. That was actually amazing. A little bit there. Ooh. Can't make things look cute. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you liked my little unboxing, and honestly, just spending some time with me. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe. Please do me a favor and hit subscribe. Don't forget to check out my last video. Oh my gosh, I'm like not in frame. All right, have the bestest day ever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, okay, bye. Of botanical oils, camellia oil.